What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to break down exactly how you're going to go out there and take a signal both on your demo and your live account. So this is one of the most important steps when it comes to your results, when it comes to trading. You're going to want to make sure once you actually are profitable in a trade that you partially close out one trade, or more importantly, you're able to go out there and put your stop loss to the break-even zone. Okay, so you're going to take signals off of multiple different types of weapons and tools that we have here. LBD Trading Ideas is a free signal service if you're involved with our team. And then you also have Steady, Swipe Coin, and Go Live, where you're able to get great signals as well. So real quick, I want to break down risk management. Okay, for every 0.01 lot for every $100, do not trade above a 0.01 or a 0.02 if you have $100. Okay, you only want to risk 2 to 3% on every single trade that you have. Okay, or open trades that you have, and then a 0.1 per every $1,000 that you have. So always trade with 2 to 5% on your account. Okay, that's something to keep in mind. Always have a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. If you don't understand that, please go back into the academy and you'll understand what I mean by that. And then never be over leveraged on one trade. And that is some of the most important tips when it comes to trading with these signals. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to show you guys how you can become a profitable signal trader. So we just got an alert off of Swipecoin. Okay, this just came in about 2 hours ago. So then we were going to take the trade. So we'll click this. We're going to check out how the trade looks. Now check this out. We're going to go straight into BTC USD. I don't recommend trading Bitcoin unless you have over $1,000 in your account. But let's say if you don't see it right here available, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your symbols and you're going to click in BTC USD, and it's going to pop up right there. The moment it pops up, you click it and it's going to now be available right here for you to trade. Right, so this is their BTC chart. We're going to be able to click on it, okay, hold it down, and we see that BTC is still open. So now we're going to copy and paste these trades correctly. Okay, we're going to go straight into a buy limit. Let's pretend this is a buy limit. Buy by market means buying immediately, but this is going to be a buy limit. So what we're going to do, we're going to go straight over here. We're going to go and click buy limit. Okay, hypothetically speaking, buy limits, sell limits, and buy stops and sell stops, they're all available in the academy, and they're going to explain exactly how you're going to be able to get access to that. So you're going to go and go straight into entry point, copy that, put your buy limit, and you're going to paste this right over here. You're going to go into the stop loss, copy this, and paste it right here. You're going to go into your take profit where they're estimating the take profit and paste it right over here. So it's important if there's 2 take profits and 2 entry points and 2 stop losses, just to make sure that you divide your trades. So let's say if it was, we were risking a 0.02, we would risk a 0.01 each and then put different take profits and stop losses on where they are essentially. Then once you're done, you're just going to make sure you're going to double check. You're going to look at maybe some of the notes that they have. And yeah, you're going to agree to it and place the trade. Successfully placed. So this is how it's essentially going to look in the market. Let's go on the lower time frame. One on the 1 hour chart. This is how it's going to look. Our entry zone is going to be right around this price, which it actually hit our entry zone. So if it goes back down to this area zone, we actually missed this trade, but once it takes us out in our first take profit, that's where we would have become profitable. So this is super cool. Check it out, right? This is your stop loss. This would be the area where you would have gotten stopped out if the trade went negative, but we would have only lost, a certain percentage on our account. This would have been our entry zone, and then this right here would have been our take profit, which is super powerful, right? Very great trade, very great reward, super powerful and super, super simple, right? So guys, this is how you properly copy and paste a signal, right? So you can do this with Forex charts, with cryptocurrency and index charts, right? Super powerful, right? And now we're going to go straight into how you're going to be able to go out there. Okay, it's going to set buy limit there, and it'll automatically go back and forth once you're ready. So the next thing we're going to go over is how to change the colors, because for some of you guys this might look like a green color. Okay, this might not look as attractive. So we're going to go over exactly how you're able to get into this app and how to utilize it. So if you want to change the colors to this, it's going to be very simple. You're going to go over to your settings, you're going to go over to charts, and you're going to go straight over to colors. Once you go into colors, you're going to be able to set a custom scheme and put all these colors down, like bar up blue, bar down red. It's just easier on the eye to see what's in profit and what isn't, whether it's a bull market or bear market. Line chart green, ask and bid prices. So you guys can copy and paste this if you would like into your phone, and you can literally do this all through your phone. Super, super simple, something super powerful, and that is how you're going to properly copy and paste trades.